Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm the device boots to BIOS or UEFI and that USB ports supply power. Plug in a known good USB and check its file system. Corrupt images cause failures. Use Rufus or Etcher to write the ISO. Select the correct target and verify checksum to ensure integrity. Once done, disable Secure Boot temporarily if the image isn't signed, and set USB as first boot device. These steps reduce common early errors and explain why we validate the media. You now create and validate the boot media. Choose MBR for legacy BIOS or GPT for UEFI, and pick FAT32 or NTFS per OS requirements. Verify the image checksum with SHA-256. A mismatch means re-download and re-flash. When flashing, enable verification in your tool so it confirms final write integrity. Once complete, boot the target. If it fails, boot the USB on a second machine to determine whether the problem is the media or the device. This isolates causes efficiently. You finish by restoring BIOS settings once the system boots reliably. Re-enable Secure Boot only if the image is signed and set the preferred boot order. If it still fails, switch USB ports, try another flashing tool, or reformat the USB and repeat the write. Sometimes single-bit errors happen. If problems persist, collect BIOS error messages and take a photo so you can research exact codes. That troubleshooting step saves time and points you toward a firmware, media, or hardware fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.